Alright guys, I just got back from my, wait, no, what am I saying? I just got a Johnny's house, a garage. And remember how we were spray painting this? This is the valve cover, right?
Yeah.
Look at that, see? I know my terms, my vocab. So we did a primer last time. This is the final coat. This looks like a blood red.
Garbage.
He's putting the oil pan back together. He's just bolting it. Wait, let me, I don't want to get these shorts dirty. I want to put these jeans on. These are brand new shorts. Alright. What are we working on here? I'll make room somehow. Oh no. Oh no. You heard that? I'm just like.
Fucking scratch your camera down here.
So what you doing right now? Just bolting it on?
Mm-hmm.
What else did you do?
Put spark plugs in.
Oh, that's what I need to make my car go faster because mine are getting old after 70,000 miles.
Not faster, it makes your car run better.
Well, yeah, and I already hit 74,000. Oh, the guy with that yellow gold G37 followed me back on Instagram.
He followed you?
Yeah,
Cool.
I feel special.
Which account?
Huh?
Which account?
What do you mean?
Visuals or like the...
No, Sultan Lopez.
Do you even have any photos of recharge on the visual?
Yeah. We went with Zell to Whole Foods parking lot. I'm fucking hungry, dude. I haven't ate besides the 2 donuts and that General.
The General. The General. Oh, fuck.
Dude, this shit's gonna get me high for real. Sounds like Twizzlers, kind of, right?
Uh-huh.
Did your mom make food?
I don't even know what I'm doing. I got home and just changed and then came over.
Woo! Alright guys, we've been underneath the car for a good 30 minutes. I forgot what it feels like to breathe and see some type of light, even though it's overcast. That's what it's called, overcast, right? Cloudy. So the down pipe, there's 3 bolts. 1 bolt Johnny broke, you know, so typical Johnny. And then the other 2 don't want to go in. Well, 1 does, but 1 doesn't want to go in. It's being a little bitch. Damn. And I'm hungry. I go for a carne asada. I'm telling you, we should just go to like Shop and Save right here. Buy like 5-10 pounds of carne asada. Get like 2-3 packets of tortillas from Jewel. Buy aguacate, some guac, you know. It's on fire right now. Dude, I think I got rust in my mouth. We'll see you guys in a bit. We're doing the putting back the valve cover. Use my phone to light up.
My shop light is occupied.
Dude, I feel like this shit's still wet, dude, isn't it?
No, it's just fucking glossy. This paint sucked. Not in sanded either. Why? Cause it still smells?
Yeah.
Nah, it's fucking dry.
I don't know how I feel about this color, dude.
Me neither. I don't know. No. How do you turn it off? What the fuck? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Still recording?
Yeah.
Oh. Nah. That was the last one. Damn, dog.
Put a Miller Lite. Put a Miller Lite. Alright guys, this is the oil filter that Johnny Boy just took out. That took about an hour.
Yeah, okay.
Alright, so now all we gotta do is put the new oil filter in. Give this guy some juice, which is oil, you know. No, this is a girl. She's a little girl. Because we're men. We don't want to be riding guys, you get me? No homo. Let me see that. Let me see that. Look at the difference. Okay, so this one looks like a dog bit it. Cheers. Look at that.
What the hell's the oil? This one.
Right there. The gray one.
Is it this?
That is not enough, dude.
No, this is my dad's. What the fuck did I leave mine? You got a flashlight?
How many oil filters you got right here, bro? Alright guys, we just went to AutoZone really quick. They closed like at 10 and we got there like at 9:55 basically. We had to get a quart of oil. Did you even put the new oil filter on?
Yeah.
Oh. Alright, so you gotta put oil. And basically it's drivable technically.
Not drivable. Maybe.
Turnable, it turns on.
It'll turn on.
That is big ass cone, bro. It ain't even a cone, is it?
Oh, it's dead. Yeah, it's dead. Let's jump it first.
You got cables?
I should.
There we go.
Can you move my car? Not yet.
Give it some gas.
How? It didn't even click. It's still charging. Oh, fuck.
He fits. He fits.
Your sweaters or your joggers right here?
Those are my shorts I came in. And it was nice and warm.
I'm gonna give them to you. Leave them in my car.
No, come in my sweater. So how do you feel right now, buddy?
Let's see if this shit works. The radio works. Oh, I died again.
It's a tight squeeze. If you haven't put in a fucking keychain, you're asking to lose that key.
Not bad. I don't know if I could turn it on like this though. Cause he told me there's a special way, cause since this ain't the original key, you gotta like 1, 2, 3, and then try it.
What?
Stupid as well.
Or you could just do this. Give it some gas.
Nigga, how am I gonna give it a gas? It's not even starting. Fucking idiot. Let's see this shit work.
Put la ley.
What the fuck is this for? I don't want none of these on. I'll worry both of them out. Fuck does it work?
I'll put the gas, bro. You put gas in this somehow?
It's been having gas.
Bro, this gas is old, bro. Maybe that's why too. Bro, it's had the same amount of gas for over 2 years, basically.
How does it work?
Make sure with the volume up,
Wait,
dumbass.
that's AM. I don't care about that. How do you get off of that?
I don't want to get no copyright. It's alive! I got that. I barely got that. I didn't even start it up yet.
Damn, it's idling. Alright, let's go see it. Is leaking anything? It's not leaking anymore though, at least. There's something in the back.
No shit.
Some kind of heat shield or something. Shit was running, bro.
Okay, go. Don't move.